we are better together, aren't we? Isn't it better? It's just better. You know, we're more healthy together. Did you know that you're healthier when you're with a community? Studies show that we're happier together. We're more grounded together, more centered. We can weather the storms of life better together. We're more peaceful. We're more joyful. We're more loving. It's just better together. You get the feeling you belong here? Yeah, we belong here. It's like we go together like, I don't know, like Rama Lama Lama Kadinga Dong, right? Together forever like 𝗬𝗏 𝗬𝗏 yippity boom to boom, chang chang changity chang 𝗬𝗏. That's the way it should be. Woohoo, yeah. I got to tell you, it's easier to sing it than it is to say it.